sending the driver down on foot.
When I said I liked your boat, I meant it.
Uh-huh.
There's oil.
You've always kept your hull clean and your deck tidy.
Oh.
But you've forgotten just one thing as the year closes out.
Yeah? What's that, you psycho?
Mills!
Here he comes, your first mate.
Oh, your bridge gone down!
What?
I wish I could have lived life on the water like you.
Shut up. What are you talking about?
Do you hear me, Captain Mills? I'm trying to tell you how much I admire your boat. It's your pretty four-stroke.
What? What did you just say?
I visited your dock this morning, after you'd left. Couldn't help but notice you don't keep your engine clean. Why is that? I tried to flush your engine, stabilize your fuel system, change your spark plugs, but it didn't work out. So I ordered everything you need from PartsVu. You're welcome.
Give me your grease gun, Dave.
What? What's in the box?
He's just trying to help you, Dave.
No.
You know.
No. No. You tell me right now, what's in the box? What's in the box? What? What's in the box? What's in the box?